Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Today I'm unboxing probably one of the biggest boxes I've ever unboxed on this channel. Now before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I am still doing the Yeezy slide giveaway. This is a brand new pair of size 8 Yeezy slides in the bone colorway. That was in my last video, so details for this will all be down in the description below. Probably also one of the heaviest pairs of sneakers. So I thought the shipping box might be a little bit too big and unnecessary, but it is very necessary. This is a ginormous box. Max on that side, Nike logo, Air, pretty much just flips open. And then you have one sneaker, two sneaker. You get this, which I assume is some more bits and pieces. Instruction manual, which we'll probably have to read in length. And at the very bottom of the box, the charging mat. So we'll chuck this off to the side. Clearly, there is a lot to go through, but here they are. Of course, if you don't know about these, essentially these do self-lace. This is the self-lacing shoe. So peeling open this, very premium feeling. So what this is you plug it in, USB-C charging port, and this is what's going to charge your sneakers. So you would have this set down and you would just plop your sneakers on there, and they wirelessly charge, obviously, to give it the ability to be able to self-lace. And then in this box here, you get, what is this? You get a little plastic figure, which is been all of the logos on this. And then so you get a 2-pin charging brick and a USB-A to a USB Type-C connecting cable. And that obviously is going to be charging the mat, which charges the sneakers. How do you turn these on? Boom. We got light. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm probably gonna have to read the manual. I think there's an app that you connect these to, so I'm gonna connect this to the app, figure out what the hell I'm doing, so then I can give you a little bit of a better review. So you pair these up with the app, because the app is really where you get to take advantage of the full technology of these self-lacing sneakers. Hold your phone near the lights. So that's what it says. Don't know how close. Okay, so it says Earl Wright would like to pair. Earl Wright? Press either light on the shoe to confirm. Okay, did that work? Try again. This may take a while. Maybe this is super easy and I'm just making it more complicated. Maybe you actually need them on. Cool, so you can make it tighter, less tight, and it's got a little number there. Yeah, they sound very loud. Once you're in the app, you can change the color of the light. I think there's 13 different colors to choose from. You can see on the app, you just change that little dot there, changes with the shoe. Also in the app, you can check your battery level. So it tells you which one is charged and how much by. So you've got two different modes, which you can set for a more athletic feel and a more comfortable, relaxed feel. So I guess like your everyday walking around feel. So once you're in move mode, I guess you can play basketball or whatever you would play in a pair of these. Now, you don't necessarily need the app. Of course, if you wanted to adjust it and you have to pull your phone out every single time, it may get a bit annoying. So of course, these buttons, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can just press those and you essentially just hold down until you feel like it's right. As soon as you put your foot in, it automatically adjusts to what it thinks is going to be the most comfortable for your foot. And then obviously from there, if it doesn't feel right, you can adjust with the app. You can left and right just until it gets to your desired fit. So the self-lacing tech that Nike has been pushing originally started with the movie Back to the Future, and that was when, of course, we saw the first concept of a self-lacing sneaker in that movie, which was the Nike Airmax. Later on, they actually went to make that sneaker, and that is literally probably one of the most expensive sneakers on the market right now. Nike then went on to make a few different versions. Of course, we saw the Adapt BB, which was the basketball and performance-based version. And it seems like now they're trying to venture this tech out into the lifestyle wear. And this one obviously is taken off of the Nike Airmax 90. So you do get this air bubble in the sneaker, which does accentuate the sole quite a lot. You're pretty high up on this sneaker and it kind of looks like a platform shoe. But when I put these on, I thought, you know what? These look damn good. Now, a massive drawback, of course, is the price. However, there is a lot of tech that you have to get with this. Of course, the charging pad, the wireless charging tech. So with all of that, the retail price is sitting at about $400 or £340. This has already seen a retail release here in Europe. However, in the US, it is releasing on the 20th of this month. So 20th of May, you can expect these on the Nike sneaker app. This is a really solid looking sneaker that I think you're really gonna like. It is very comfortable. You are getting a very adjustable sneaker. As for sizing, I would go true to size on this. It seems to fit me perfectly fine. Upper on this looks fantastic. This very, very soft knit or mesh material, and it does give it that really seamless look, obviously the really futuristic look. The ankle area is well padded and very soft. Of course, the materials are extremely premium on this sneaker. You want that if you're going to be paying such a high price point. It says on Nike's website that these will take about 4 hours to fully charge, which isn't too bad. If you do get yourself a pair of these, I do seriously recommend going to the Nike website and just making sure that you have all the details down. You do not want to end up breaking your $400 pair of sneakers. Is self-lacing the future, or is it just a gimmick? I really hope that they refine this technology, make it a little bit cheaper. Of course, that comes with time. However, for right now, we get to appreciate these really cool futuristic sneakers, and I'm completely happy with that. That is pretty much the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget about that Yeezy slide giveaway, and I will see you in the next video. And until then,